Most people upgrade their 3D printer the wrong way. They spend money, add random parts, and end up with worse performance. In this video, I'll show you cheap upgrades that actually work, and more importantly, why they work. Welcome to Clone Print Lab, where we talk about everything about 3D printers. Not all upgrades improve print quality. Some add complexity, introduce new problems, or fix issues you don't even have. So today, we'll focus only on upgrades that improve reliability, improve consistency, and make a real difference. Strong bed surface. Upgrade. PEI sheet or glass bed. Why it works? Improves adhesion consistency, reduces warping, easier part removal. Engineering reason, surface energy and texture directly affect how molten plastic bonds. Result, fewer failed prints, better first layers. Better bed springs or silicone mounts. Upgrade, stiffer springs, silicone mounts. Why it works? Reduces bed movement over time, maintains leveling longer. Problem it solves? Frequent releveling due to vibration. Result? Stable geometry, less maintenance. Metal extruder arm. Upgrade. Aluminum extruder lever. Why it works? Plastic arms crack over time. Pressure becomes inconsistent. Engineering reason, extrusion force must remain constant for accurate flow. Result, more consistent extrusion, fewer under-extrusion issues. Capricorn PTFE tube. Upgrade, high-quality PTFE tube. Why it works? Lower friction, tighter tolerance. Effect, more precise filament control, better retraction response. Especially useful for Bowden setups. Better part cooling fan. Upgrade. Improved cooling duct plus fan. Why it works? Stock cooling is often uneven. Poor airflow causes stringing, bad overhangs. Engineering insight, cooling controls how fast plastic solidifies. Result, sharper details, better bridging. Belt tensioners. Upgrade, adjustable belt tensioners. Why it works? Proper belt tension is critical. Manual adjustment is inconsistent. Effect, better motion accuracy, reduced ringing. Filament guide. Upgrade, simple printed filament guide. Why it works? Reduces drag, prevents filament angle stress. Result, smoother extrusion, less wear on extruder. Silent stepper drivers. Optional. TMC drivers. Why it works? Reduce noise, smoother motor motion. Important? This is comfort plus slight smoothness, not a quality upgrade. What not to upgrade first? Avoid. Direct drive conversion, too early. Auto bed leveling, without understanding basics. Random firmware tweaks. Rule: don't upgrade what you don't understand. Upgrade strategy. Best approach: fix fundamentals first, upgrade only when needed, measure results after each change. Upgrades should solve problems, not create new ones. Cheap upgrades can make a big difference if you choose the right ones. Focus on stability, consistency, simplicity. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.